So our micro project is based on bubble sort, and bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements if they are in wrong order. And it starts with comparing the first two elements and then swaps them. Then in the code, org 100h is the means org is abbreviation of origin, and it is an assembly directive which defines where the machine code, that is translated assembly program, is to place in memory. And 100h says that the machine code starts from address or offset 100h in the segment. Then 10 slash 0ah in bracket 0ah, which is the line feed that moves the cursor down to the next line with advancing the next line. And then 13 slash 0 dh in bracket 0d return carriage, which moves the cursor to the beginning of the line without advancing to the next line. And then array db10 dup in bracket 0, which says that 10 is the size of array, and dup is also an assembler directive which allows multiple initializations to the same value. And 0 in the bracket says that initialize this array with value 0.
Starting this code segment, I would like to compare this program with real world application. Let's assume we are in a file explorer and you saved files, few files or videos in a folder. File you must have seen many times when we save them, and if there are files already saved, and when we save a new file, it gets saved in ascending order of file name. This happens because of sorting algorithm, and as assembly is used to develop operating system, so this is how files get saved in ascending order. In this program we use just integers, so you will think that file name is in string, so how it gets sorted? The answer is because of we sort string ASCII values, not strings, because it's easy to sort numbers rather than strings. So I will start the code segment from here. Yeah. So here we have printed the first string, that is str, and with the help of interrupt 21h and its function 9, the value which is stored in ah register, according to that interrupt 21h calls the function, and the 9 value will print the string till dollar sign occurs. When dollar sign occurs, it will stop printing the string, that means it will terminate the string. So here we move the str data with the help of lea instruction. LEA used to load the address of operand into the provided register. Here the reason of using LEA instruction instead of MOV, that is move, is LEA makes of offsetting of the string easier in future. So we will go ahead. So here we have initialized the counter variable with the value 10, so it can iterate 10 times. And you will ask why 10 only? It is because of the size of array that we have stored or saved. And along with the cx, we have stored the offset of array, that is the memory of the array, and the memory will be of the first element of the array. After that we have stored one value in ah, because of to stop taking input from user, that is text mode, it is turned off after the completion of the loop. So ahead we are using a loop inputs for taking input from standard output which user gave. So for that loop we have initialized few registers. In the next step we have entered in the loop and we stored the value in bx register with the help of interrupt 21h. So one by one number gets stored in al in each iteration, and here bx register is working as index of array. In the next step we incremented bx, so we can store next values from the standard output to the array's next index. After taking the inputs, again we initialize the counter for our main logic to sort the array. So in bubble sort, array runs n minus 1 times. So at very first we will decrement it. So it will be 9. In the next scan loop, again we declared counter which will help program to stop the first iteration and start next iteration. Here si is initialized with 0 means here si is working as index and it will initialized by 0 after each iteration to sort again from starting. After next scan, next comp will compare the two adjacent elements of the array. Here next comp is not a loop, it is working as conditional statement like if statement. Array's sith element will be stored in AL register and array's sith plus 1 element will be stored in DL register, and they will be compared, and we will check that AL is greater than DL. If it is not greater than, it will generate carry. Then it will go to the no swap by skipping this swapping of array elements. No swap will increment the si, that is index of array, and will decrement the bx, that is another counter, to break the iteration after comparing all the elements in the array. If carry is not generated here by next comp, so it will swap those two adjacent elements. So loop will run again with those same values, and when it will found both values are there at the right place and carry generated, then si and bx will incremented and decremented respectively. This iteration will run until the bx returns 0. So this process will work n minus 1 times. After n minus 1 times iteration, you will get sorted array in ascending order.
Printing bubble sorted word. Move AH9, leave DX STR1, interrupt 21. Look, printing start here. Initialization. Move CX10. CX CX is used as a counter register. Move BX offset. BX is a BX is a array used as index. Print loop, print move ah2 is a set cursor position, move dl bracket bx, interrupt 21h, int inc bx, loop print ret.